Namaste students, now we are going to recollect the topic scratch. In that scratch, broadcast and receive, determine the location of the sprite, taking care of health while using computer. So these are the topic we are going to discuss now. Next, objectives. In this topic, you are going to learn what and all you are going to learn healthy practice using yogasana. In this yogasana, what are the uses of benefits while using this yogasana? You will learn determine the location of the sprite, scratch, broadcast, and receive. So, in the scratch, broadcast, and receive, you will learn. Okay. See here. Before we are going to see about broadcast and receive, come to know what is scratch. Just recollect it. Scratch is a programming application. It is a programming application. It is used to develop a process in a creative creating more ideas using this program. Okay, you using this application. So what and all you can create animation, games, music, interactive stories, like that you can create more ideas in this program. Okay, then what does mean by broadcast and receive? So broadcast means what, receive means what. So broadcast, in the word itself you can able to understand, that means it send information, it send a message to more than one sprite. If you want to send a message to multiple sprite, means using this broadcast you can send the message. Receive, when you receive when the sprite is getting the message, means as per the message the sprite will perform in the stage. அந்த மெசேஜில் என்ன இருக்கோ அதை பெர்ஃபார்ம் பண்ணும். ஸோ அந்த மெசேஜ் எப்படி வரும் அந்த ஸ்ப்ரைட்டுக்கு? யூஸிங் திஸ் வென் ஐ ரிசீவ் இன்ஸ்ட்ரக்ஷன். யூஸிங் திஸ் இன்ஸ்ட்ரக்ஷன் த ஸ்ப்ரைட் வில் கெட் த மெசேஜ். ஓகே, ஸோ ப்ராட்காஸ்ட் மீன்ஸ் it will send the message. When I receive means it will get the message. For that purpose only it is used. These two instruction. Okay. Next, determine the location of the sprite. What you are going to determine in this location? So see, when you open the scratch application, at the down one sprite will be there. So at the top of that one icon will be there. So if you click that, means it will be opened like this. So in that what all the information is given means about the sprite. If you want to change the sprite name, means you can change, and x and y directions, x and y point will be given, axis will be given, directions of the sprite will be given. So these are the things will be determined in this area. So it is called as a current sprite info. That means currently what the position of the sprite information will be given. So that's why current sprite info we will call. Okay, next, see the current sprite info. Already I have said, no, it is sprite name can be given there, and x and y position is given there, direction of that sprite is given. So there is so many directions, so I have listed here. If it is 90-degree means right hand side. Suppose if you want the sprite to move from one point to another, if it is 90-degree means it will move right hand side. If it is minus 90-degree means left hand side the sprite will move. If it is 180 means down. Direction of 0 means, if it is 0 means upside it will move. So it each direction there is some indication for the sprite. Okay, next. Now taking care for health practice. What are the health practice? See the healthy practice. So there is some yogasanam: pranayama, ekapada pranamasana, natavarasana, tandavasana. So these are the yogasana. Okay, now we are going to learn about this yogasana and the benefits. What are the benefits here come while using the while doing this yogasana? Okay, pranayama. So breathing exercise like pranayama have many benefits, such as relaxations of the mind and improvement of concentration. If you do this means you will get relaxations of the mind. mind relaxation. If you are in stress means you can, while doing this you will get a relaxation. And improvement of concentration, you will get more concentration power while doing this. Okay, then Ekapada Pranamasana. So Ekapada Pranamasana strengthens the muscles of ankle and foot. So it strengthens the muscles of ankle and foot. It also nervous balance. So while standing like this you will get a balance. உனக்கு கை கால்லாம் நடுங்காது. First பண்ணும்போது when you start doing means it will shake. You can't able to stand. So regularly if you start do means it you have a practice while doing this, and you can stand in a balancedly. Okay, and the strengthen, you can get a strengthen the muscles of ankle and foot. Okay, then Natavarasana, that means it helps to develop a concentration power. So you can develop your concentration power and balance of the body. You can develop the concentration power and balance of the body. Okay, Tandavasana means it can helps the by standing like this position you can able to get a balanced body and develops your mental concentration. So while doing this you can get more concentration power and you can stand, you can able to get a balanced body. Okay, then Ekapadasana means strengthens the muscles of arm, wrist, hip and legs. So while stretching your hand and legs you can able to get strength in your muscles, and arm, hip, while bending you will get a muscle strength in your hip, leg, wrist and arms. So these are the benefits you will get. Okay, next I have an activity for you. Sequence the steps of the given asanas in the correct order. So I have given some that means some order I have given. I have rearranged it. Now you going to arrange it in a sequence order. Okay, then determine the directions of the sprite. I have given some directions, 90 degree and 180 degree. You going to find out it is in which side. Next, the sprite is in which side, it indicates. Identify the block and define it. So broadcast and receive. Broadcast and receive is under which block it will come. You're going to find out, and you're going to define it. What is broadcast and what is receive? These are the activity I have given. So go through this video fully and do this activity. Recollect your previous topic while going through this video. Thank you, students.